In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to your Uber Eats account. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, these simple steps will help you get your gift card set up and ready to use for your next tasty meal delivery. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official Uber Eats website. You can type in www.ubereats.com in the address bar and press enter. It's important to use the official website to avoid potential security risks. Once you're there, you should see the familiar Uber Eats homepage with its enticing images of delicious food ready for delivery. Next, you'll locate what is often referred to as the hamburger icon. This is a simple three-line symbol typically found in the top left corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will open up a sidebar menu. This menu provides a convenient way to access different features and settings within your account. Once the sidebar menu is open, look for an option that says Wallet. It's usually nestled among other options like Account or Orders. Click on Wallet, and this will take you to a page where you can manage your payment methods. This section is your financial hub where all your payment options are stored, ranging from credit cards to gift cards. On the wallet page, there should be an option to add a new payment method. Select Add Payment Method, and you'll be prompted to enter the details for your new method of payment. This feature is designed to make it easy for users to incorporate various payment methods, ensuring a seamless transaction experience no matter what kind of card or virtual wallet you prefer. Now you're ready to add your Visa gift card. Input the necessary details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure to enter this information carefully to avoid any errors that could delay the process. Once you have filled out the required fields, confirm and save your entries. Congratulations, your Visa gift card has now been added to your Uber Eats account. With this payment method set up, you can conveniently use your gift card balance towards your next food delivery. It's a great way to make use of a gift card without any hassle and ensure you're getting the most out of your dining experience. And there you have it. Adding a Visa gift card on Uber Eats is straightforward and quick. Now you can eagerly await your next meal delivery, knowing you have another payment option at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your Uber Eats experience. Happy ordering!